Sembut Menteri Rangba Badai Pej Akatanat Kampo Ing Bat PWD Uperstun Ting Song Ula Batai ke Central Public Work Department CPWD Bat ke Border Security Force BSF Bakin I no objection certificate na kabenta bersenai ki surak PMGSY3 hasil antara kaput India bat Bangladesh. Ya kani ka hukum la ai hadin ke jaya langlang bat ki officer kawin ni ki jaka bakongsan ke deha kathan ranikor. Hagaru Hills lapan par ke jing Sokia halor ki benta jang ki surak ki badan syabar jang ka jing ada jang ka kapun ki bor penyat ki dang perkhat ban pet thmai yakum kini ki surak khanang banlat na kinu ki jing persya na kaliang ka Bangladesh.
About the meeting first.
No, I have a joint meeting with the BSF authority and then as well as with the CPWD and my team from the PWD department, right from the secretary of the chief engineers. We were discussing about a few projects of PMGSY, which happens to be a border route. So one issue here in somewhere in the Ranikor side, where the road in fact belongs to the CPWD and the BSF themselves. So now sanction has been accorded for reconstruction of roads, but we need NOC from the both from CPWD as well as from the BSF. So we discussed today, and I told them you kindly give us the NOC so that we can start, because this has been already included in the PMGSY3. So that is number one, and number two is one again in Garo Hills. In Garo Hills, what happened is there are stretch of road which goes outside the fencing. Outside the fencing, not inside the fencing. So again, those portion which is outside the fencing, the BSF feel that we need to do the realignment of the road. We have to bring into the inside the fencing, because that side, if we go outside, then our counterpart from Bangladesh, they are protesting and then they don't allow us to construct road or any infrastructure. So we already discussed this and we have taken a decision, and they will also take it up with the higher authority. Then ultimately they will issue us the NOC for construction of such roads. That is the meeting we had today. Okay, yeah.